People on the YouTube asked for this, so here's a tour. Fish tanks, kitchen, entertainment center, couch. There's a kid sleeping. This is the hallway, storage units, more storage units, bathroom with a full shower, son's desk. And this is the little shelf for creating crap and my custom paint jobs and everything. Each shelf has lighting, tools, more tools, food, and then vinyl wraps and whatnot, cleaning supplies, smart vacuum, door hanger for more tools. My favorite part of my office is the perfection of OCD pleasing and Tetris storage. All my Ryzen processors, motherboards, video cards. There's another RTX over there. Mouse, hard drives, coolers, PSUs, game systems, headsets, Surface, another Surface, a MacBook Pro 2011, TV with RGB lights, a Dell NV i7 6700, and all-in-one POS. Lots of storage, all organized. Printer, 3 4K monitors, SteelSeries Apex 5 for the podcast. There's another mic behind there, headphones, wireless printer, that, don't worry about that. Chargers, that is my Ryzen 9, I think, yeah, the 12 core, 12 or 16, now I forget, and a 5500 XT, because I don't need much than that, 64 gigabytes of RAM. That's the NAS with 24 terabytes in RAID 1, so duplicates, and also a Ryzen 7 2700X. Then you've got charging station. There's my humble office. Any questions?